Hello, and thanks for stopping by. This is an update on the SimpleAM transmitter project. As many of you know, this started out as a very, very basic transmitter. They shown in the picture here. You had one transistor, some capacitors, and an inductor to take and make up the oscillator, and really just a resistor and capacitor to make up the modulator circuit. And the range of this was about 6 inches. You had to have the setting right on top of the radio and stuff like that, but it did sound awful good, and I wanted to see what I could take and if I could take and make it better. Many of you know I like to work with modules. Now this was the circuit for the basic SimpleAM. So you can see there's not much to it there. And about this time, Don over at Restore Radios came out with a AM transmitter too. So I took and borrowed his oscillator circuit, or his his RF amplifier circuit, to take and boost the signal. Now, as anybody who works around radio transmitters and stuff knows, you have to take and match your transmitter to your antenna. So I took and made a pi filter matching circuit to take and match the impedance of the output of the RF amplifier to the antenna to get the maximum signal out. But then you have to have a way to know when you have the antenna, properly matched. So I took, this is an RF meter circuit that you can take and hook directly to the antenna connector and leave connected, because it doesn't hardly use any power. And this takes and rectifies some of the antenna voltage and feeds it out to a digital multimeter, whatever you want to take and measure the voltage with, and you just trim the antenna, you adjust the antenna connector until you get the maximum voltage. So putting everything together finally on one board, the PCBs came back from JLC PCB yesterday, and this is what the bare board looks like. As you can see here, I took and blocked things off. You can see there in the red you have the oscillator modulator circuit. Then in the yellow you have the RF amplifier. In the orange you have the antenna tuner. And then there across the top you have the metering circuit. So it all fits on one board. And I took and purposely designed it to take and fit into the small plastic project boxes that I like to use. And this is what an assembled board looks like in the box. Now, I hope to be able to take and get some more of the boxes drilled out or whatever, get everything together, and get these out to the beta testers, around the first of the month. And once we get the results back from them, we should be ready to take and be able to take and offer this for sale, hopefully. I'm gonna end this with a small clip of what it sounds like with just initial tune-up on it. This radio is 2 rooms away from where the transmitter is. So thank everybody for stopping by. Have a good day. And here's the demo.